kanye nathi abadali siyabonga kakhulu indlela elisapothe ngayo sivulile kakhulu imiyalezo kade sithumelela yona siyekwe eziko lase-India sidlalile kakhulu siyathemba ukuthi edlale ngayo iyathokozisa bona ngokuningi ingane i-welcome nje enisiphe yona siyabonga kakhulu uma senifanele yinto eyenzelwe ukuthi abegcine sesibala sesingasabona ukuthi siqhubekele kalula phambili isimo sama-injuries amaningi kakhulu nesimo sokhokho lo abawudlalayo ngalo sokuhluka kakhulu kunalo wethiwa ngapha kodwa ngisathembisa ukuthi ngokulandelayo sizokwenza okukhulu okuvele kusebenzisa India sport bisa pelajar rumah, tapi lah ada macam boleh di tahun ini macam sering juga nak boleh. Sport nanti, ugut sport ini kita minat India. Ini nabantu abang orang bersama orang tu. Bersama aku cium nata film orang itu di South Africa. Dalam ini juga lah tu. So nanti saya cakap uko white di South Africa. Suka Sicilia tidak. Ya, jadi itu logo dapat coba pakai cuma sekali ada barang. Itu yang tak pernah dilalui satu kali. Kita tak fikir dulu ada apa. Ibu aku di support ya aku. One more. Honorable MEC Mamushinga, Mamus Funda Siabawaku Mama, our HOD, KZN Sports Confederation, Vice President, Ms. Zeki Dombena, we thank you. Governor Gandhi, Council of Gandhi, we acknowledge you. Mama, kita get jalan jalan sama Mr. Zulu, Chairperson Mengasisa. Yes, Baba, whenever cool, it's up on football. Thank you, Mom. I can put you in the legend of Mama Shine. Mom, sister, on behalf of the delegation of the team, South Africa, Coco, for the support. Because most of the time, now in MBC, is again, Mr. Concrete is number one. So we had players from different provinces, and the finalists we are here to win the World Cup. So exactly we did, we were going for gold. If you want to run the circle 10-4, we were almost finished with them. The score was 42-23. So we were leading them, but because of the experience, I think it was the only tough game. She finally began to give performance any games we about South Africa. So we are full for the support. Considering
ukuthi team South Africa was not a selected team. It wasn't a team that I selected. Nginikeziwe nje abadlali kathiwa naba abadlali, go and do your job. And thank you very much for the support because we did it. We did it together. We appreciate that. People were given them a slot, that's what they turn 2 Nina, they turn 1, they turn that like at the end, because I should say, but like at the end you give me the opportunity to have a welcome at the speech given the funding, so we can have you selected the best team to compete at national level. So those were a few minor changes. Then to the rules. We were only given 3 days which is for the rules. So mina bengalali, mina every day kalulala nje izolo. Because the only time when ngale khona ukulala because wefanele ngaso sonke isikhathi prepare ngishintshe ngoba nasemantombazaneni bengibuye ngiwelele nakhona ngaphesheya ngiyosiza nakhona emantombazaneni ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siphumelele. So all in all, KwaZulu Natal, we appreciate the welcoming eThekwini. I saw even the poster. I saw a poster with my name. Thank you. I saw it. Ngayiposta laphana ukuthi you acknowledge the effort esifakile nanokuthi sikhulise. Mina bengithi nje ekugcineni closing, bela sisebenzise le opportunity to inspire our young black kids.